Guys, do you remember when we were just started playing Minecraft videos? Like, let's get some wood, guys. Cut wood, then do crafting and blah blah blah, and or this, and or this typical armor. Do this, huh? And take a pet, right? Do you remember when we used to build our house like this? Like this, and like this, bro. Do you remember that? When we were always just finding a good spot. Good spot is a good spot. And, like this. And we don't use this one. We use this one or this. But I like this one. Like this one. And built we built it like this. And, and we built it like this. The frame is just like this. Guys, like and subscribe, but if you don't, yeah, just watch. Don't care. I'm just for entertainment. I like making videos for you guys and doing like this and doing this, and this, and diamond here, diamond, diamond in the first floor. Mine was like this diamond here. I was in creative. I will be always in creative. But take this off. Build this. Then build. Ay, shit. Stay here and stay here. I put emerald here and click this for the belt. Then like this one. Guys, suggest a game you want me to play. Hello neighbor, anything. Then like this. Then like this. And then like this. I will always build it like this, and I will turn off creative and I will turn on survival mode. Oh, this is mine, and then doing like this combination, like this. But yeah, pattern. Diamond here, gold here, emerald here, gold here, diamond here, and iron here. But yeah, I can put it in a random way. But remember the old song? It's like Moon on my bro. CR17. Then put it like this and that. Then sorry for my low quality phone. Then build it like this. And this is the old phones of Minecraft, bro. Like this. Then putting red bed. There's no multicolor bed before. Then like this, and then icon. Storing your. You have that typical friend that always hides our stuff underground. Then random stairs, I don't know why. There's random stairs in my house before. Then light like this beacon on the side and that. But I built beacon like this. Mm, pop, pop, pop like that. Then changing the color. Oh shit, changing the fuck, changing the color. Do you remember when there was only one variant of dogs, but now there's more? I miss the old one, the white one, but these new ones are ugly as fuck, boy. They're ugly. See, the fuck is that? Then you pick up a bone. Imagine that's the old one, the bone it. Then we put in here. Music, music here, here, and where's the hmm? What am I gonna put again? I forgot. Wait. Oh yeah, painting like this. We used to. Oh, oh, that's the new one. Sorry. Yeah, I like that one. And I put it like no, the karate one. No, not. The new one. Oh, that's the old one. Putting it all around, bro. I used to remember the back in my days, bro. Ah. Then leaving your dog sitting all alone. Then we used to make this when I was a kid. Like I used to believe that Hero would exist. Not that one. There's the netherrack. I forget to make Hero shiny. Netherrack, flint. I used to make it like this. Torch, redstone. Ah, and then we build it like this. Like, forget again. My cousin, my nephew is watching Cocomelon. Sorry for the interruption. Doing like this. Oh no, wrong. Then doing like this. I don't know. What am I doing as a kid. Then this. I used to do this. Then run into my house. But I don't know that everyone don't exist. And then making this, doing this when I was a kid to the villagers. Then what did I forget? Using the command blocks, check. But that's it. I don't know. Like and subscribe for more or suggest a game you want me to play in the comments. I love all my viewers. All 1,000 guys. Thank you for 1,450 viewers. Thank you for supporting me. If you comment, I will subscribe to you and like every video that you have. Even though it's 1K videos, I don't care. You supported me. Love you guys. Like and subscribe. And peace out. Bye. Love you.